Hey guys, so last time I did some footage, it got corrupted, so we didn't get everything on the video. I thought I did, but I guess the memory card screwed up, I don't know. But I was able to strip the paint off of the doors on both sides, get that down, get that primed, so that's done. I used a product called aircraft stripper or aircraft paint remover. That worked really well. It was a little messy. I had to go over it a few times to get it to work well, but the end result was a lot better, and I'm probably gonna continue to use that. So moving forward, I still have the quarter panels to do, the roof, the back hatch, and the hood, and some small other pieces. But all in all, it's moving along nicely. So let's continue, get at it, get it done. So I just went over the quarter panel and roof with a coat of the aircraft paint remover. That's the stuff I was talking about earlier that I used in the doors. They came out really well. We just keep working it. I'm gonna put on a few quotes, get it knocked down, and get it down to bare metal. So let's take a look. Now that's about as much paint as one coat of the aircraft remover strips. Now I'm just gonna clean it up, go over a second coat, and wash, lather, repeat until it's completely bare metal.